everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Cerise here and this is... What's your name?
Dorothy.
Dorothy. She's gone a bit shy. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be installing curtains. So it's going to be how we put curtains up. And so, let's put Miss Dorothy down. Now, what we're going to be doing is these curtains here. So it is dark, so you can see the reflection. And we're going to be putting in these pink curtains. Now, it is very important with, this is such bad lighting by the way guys, you got to be very, it's very important with your curtains that you pre-measure them. So you've got to measure, first of all get the right size curtains and then you want to measure it. So you want to make sure you get the width, sorry the length, then the width, and you want to make sure you know how long your curtains are. Then you want to make sure you get a bunch of these hoodakis. These are nylon gathering hooks and then you need extendable track guides as well. If you've already got curtains, it might already be on there. My lovely sister, Dorothy's mum, has actually done all of these curtains for me. Yeah? So she has actually sewn all these for me and hemmed them up. So I've just got to work out which one's which. So I've got my long curtain there and then I've got two short ones. So that's a short one there and that's a short one there. So these are the two long ones here. No, that's a short one. Where's the other long one, Dorothy? Have you got it? No, this is the long one here. So these are the two long ones that we've got to put on that long window. So make sure we've got them both here. And what I have done is pre-put all the hooks and the gathering hooks and the clips are all on there so I can just thread them through onto the window straight away. So this track here is where you want to put all of the hooks along. So then my camera's like, I'm not going to focus. So it leads all under there. So that's where we need to put the hooks on. So generally there's this stopper here. So it goes on the end here. And you want to make sure it's off before you put the curtain rail on. And then you want to make sure you found the end. So this is the end. So that will go on that end of it. So now we want to thread this end. So you grab this little loop here, this little tab. So you grab that tab and you want to loop it. So you want to loop it through like so. So you're grabbing that loop and just looping that through.
And that one.
So once you've threaded all the clips on, you want to pull it right along. So you want to make sure you're just pulling it. If it wants to go, it's like, nope. You want to pull it all the way along to the other side. Here we go. So pull it over here and there'll be a clip up there. So see that stopper there? You want to connect that clip to that stopper. So we need to get a stool and we're going to pull this all the way over and that clip is just going to go right through that hole there. And then that one is stuck on there. So now that curtain is on there so you can pull it along. We've got the stopper on. Pull it like that. Now we've just got to set up the last one and put the stopper on and they're stuck on there. So here we've got the last bit on, so we just need to put that stopper on. Ugh. So now that stopper's in, we just put this last clip in. And it's stuck on there. So now we have our curtains. So now we've got our curtains done. That was how to install curtains with my niece Dorothy. Dorothy, you smile at the camera, you say bye YouTube.
Bye YouTube.
Yeah. So yeah, pretty much that was how to install curtains. Make sure the main thing is that you pre-measure them, make sure they will fit, cut them if you need them cut. I cut mine straight in the middle so I could have two curtains, and then once you've done that, you're all good to set them on, and then just make sure you put the stoppers so they don't slide off. And that's how you hang curtains. Say bye Dorothy.
Bye, Dorothy.
Bye, guys.